In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the slider banner. In the WordPress customizer, I'm going to click front page template. I'm going to click banner slider. And this link right here is a shortcut to the plugin page. So I'm going to open that in a new window. Also in the WordPress backend, on the sidebar, you can click smart slider. I'm going to click go to dashboard. So the demo slider that we imported is called Music Maker Sliders. I'm going to click edit. So here are the slides right here. There are about 12 different images. To edit one of the slides, click edit. Move this window over, and here you can edit the text. You would click the text that you want to edit, and there's a text input over here. If you click style, you can edit more settings. You can change the font, you can change the color, the font weight, the font size, the background color. If you click slide, you can edit the general settings. You can change the background image, you can change the background image position kind of. You can change the color. If you hover over the computer, you can adjust the width so you can get a better preview of how it would look in full width. If you click this eye icon, you can preview the slides. So at the moment, there are 12 different slides. Let's say you want to hide some of them. Simply click the check mark, and this is going to unpublish those. And let's say there's a slide that you like the styling and you want to duplicate it. You click the dots, click duplicate, you click into it. I'm going to click slide so I can change the background image. Click save. And let me change the order of these. I'm going to hide some more, so I'm only going to have 2 slides. Let me click preview. So there's only 2. I'm going to click close. I'm going to click Music Maker Sliders. And here you can update some additional settings. The autoplay, you could turn that off if you want. The slider name, the size. But let's go back to the home page. And look, you can see that there's only 2 slides. So you can have multiple messages if you want.